Welcome to Grocery Mart. Single vendor grocery delivery website and application like Big Basket and Grofers. Download and install application Play Store and check demo. When you install and open application, you will see Home Layout section. Home Layout section is completely dynamic, which is designed by admin panel. Side. In Home section you will see slider category, multiple slider banner, multiple category grid icon. Grid style product section, subcategory icons. Slider product section, promotion banner, etc. When you click side menu, you will see profile section, all category section, pages section. When you click search bar section, you will see product search option, all categories. Now you can also sign in or sign up by Google, Facebook, also log in with OTP. When you create an account, you need to add your name, last name, username, email, ID and password, and click to create account button to create account. In My Account section you can also change password, add billing address. When you click any product, then product section open, where you will see products image, gallery images, name, category, etc. Also you can add products video to understand products in gallery section by admin panel side. You can also check product description, additional details, and also you can add review, and give him rating and upload review image. You can also see relative products in product section. When you click Add to Cart button, you will see Cart section. In Cart section you can increase and decrease product quantity. You can also see relative products in product section. When you click Add to Cart button, you will see Cart section. In Cart section you can increase and decrease product quantity. In checkout section you can add billing information like name, address, city, etc. details.